A few days back, while working on a lead generation script, I wondered, what if there was a tool that could extract data from any website without writing a single line of code? Sounds like magic, right? Well, I found one. It's called BrowserAct, an AI-powered, no-code web scraper that browses websites just like a human and pulls out the exact data you need. No more coding struggles, API limits, or bot detection issues. BrowserAct makes enterprise-grade data automation possible for marketers, sales teams, recruiters, or anyone who needs it. So in this video, I'm showing you a quick review and some super real use cases with this tool. Now, we're on the website homepage. The platform is currently in the launching phase, and we get 1000 credits daily for immediate use and exploration. Also, if you join their Discord server, you'll receive 2000 extra credits. Right on the homepage, we can see all the features and use cases. First, let's create an account. Just tap on Free Launch, then go to Sign Up. Here, simply enter your email and a password. Then, you'll need to enter the OTP received via email to complete the sign-up process. I've already created an account, so let me sign in. Okay, now we're inside the platform dashboard. There are two main options here, agents and workflows. The workflow feature is upcoming, and I hope it will be available in the next few days. For now, we can explore the agent section. Let's start by creating an agent to scrape leads from different websites. We'll name it Leads Scraper. Now let's open it. First things first, we need to give some instructions. The agent will follow these instructions to perform the task. Let's enter. You are a helpful agent to scrape leads from different websites. Avoid login pop-ups and sign-in prompts. Bypass CAPTCHAs by refreshing or using proxies. This tool has inbuilt proxies, so it can avoid 99% of bot detection and CAPTCHAs. On the right side, we can see agent tools coming soon. So it looks like some amazing features are on the way. Next, we have to choose the LLM model. There are two options, ChatGPT 4.1 and 4.1 mini. Our process will take multiple steps and credits will be charged per step. If we choose 4.1, it costs 30 credits per step, while 4.1 mini charges 10 credits per step. For simple processes like this, 4.1 mini is enough. For more complex tasks, you can go with 4.1. You can also manage the agent settings like max run steps and maximum actions, but it's better to leave them at their default values. Next, we have one important option here, selecting the region. If you're scraping data from websites in a specific country, I recommend selecting that country here. This way, an IP address from that region will be used for the operation, which can provide better results. I'm choosing the default region, Canada for now. Finally, tap on Publish, then choose Publish as New Version, and it's done. Now click on Run. Here we can simply enter a prompt to start the scraping process. Let's provide 5 website links and ask, visit each of these websites, find contact details, and output as a CSV file with website link, phone number, and email. Now tap on Send, and the task will begin. On the right side, we can see the live browser, and this is one of the best features of the platform. We can actually watch the process live. Unlike traditional scraping tools, this one mimics human behavior. It visits websites, scrolls, finds the contact details, and extracts the data. All of this is automated by AI-driven intelligence. Now it's done, and it consumed 350 credits, which means it took 35 steps at 10 credits per step. Let's download the CSV file. And here we go. Here are the website links we provided, along with the phone numbers and email addresses of each business. One column is empty, probably because that website didn't have an email ID listed. Using this method, you can scrape hundreds of website leads effortlessly. Now, let's head back to the dashboard and mark this as done. In the future, you can use the API to connect with any no-code tools like N8N, Zapier, or Make.com and take this automation even further. Okay, now let's create another agent for LinkedIn job scraping. Let's open the agent and start by giving some instructions. You are a helpful, intelligent agent to scrape job listings from LinkedIn. Avoid login pop-ups and sign-in attempts. Bypass CAPTCHAs by refreshing or using proxies. Let's choose the LLM model as 4.1 mini. Now publish it and tap on Run. Here, we'll give the prompt. For this task, we need a slightly more structured prompt to get better results. After multiple tests, I found a standard prompt that works well. Let me paste it here. Search LinkedIn for 10 latest software engineer jobs in New York. Extract job details and export as CSV. Then, I added more specifics to improve accuracy. Platform, LinkedIn only. Search, software engineer plus New York. Extract, job title, company, salary, job link, posted date. Quantity, 10 most recent postings. Output, CSV format. Filter, jobs posted within the last 7 days. Okay, let's give the prompt. On the right side, we can see the live browser in action. At first, it prompts for LinkedIn sign-in, but here's where the magic happens. It avoids the sign-in prompt, closes all pop-ups, and opens the jobs page within seconds. Now it starts extracting the job listings. Let's wait a few seconds. And it's done. It took 18 steps, costing 180 credits. Let's download the CSV file. And here we go. The file includes the job title, company name, location, job post link, and posted date. The salary column is empty for all entries, probably because the salary details weren't provided in the job posts. Okay, now let's create another agent for analyzing competitor product pricing. This feature will be helpful for e-commerce sellers, market analysts, and resellers. Let's say this is our competitor's product. Just copy the link. You can pick any product from any website. Go to the BrowserAct dashboard and create a new agent. Let's name it Competitor Price Analysis. Open it and give the instruction. You are an intelligent agent to analyze competitor prices on Amazon. Avoid login pop-ups and sign-in prompts. Bypass captchas by refreshing or using proxies. Now select the LLM model as 4.1 mini. Publish it. Then tap on Run. Here, paste the product link you want to track and add this prompt. Go to this Amazon product page, extract the product name and price, and output as a CSV file. Just submit the prompt. Now, it opens the product page, extracts the price in real time, and updates it into a CSV file. And it's done, in just 4 steps, using 40 credits. Let's download the file. And here we go. The file includes the product name, brand, model, price, and more. So once API access is available on the platform, you can integrate it with N8N or Zapier to pull the data at specific intervals and track prices efficiently. Finally, let's try another one. Finding trending news articles about a specific topic. This will be helpful for entrepreneurs, data analysts, and trend researchers to stay up to date with the latest developments. Let's give the instructions as you are an intelligent agent to find market trends online. Avoid login pop-ups and sign-in prompts. Bypass captchas and bot detection. Now choose the model as 4.1 mini and publish the agent. Tap on Run and enter the prompt. Find 10 latest articles about artificial intelligence from TechCrunch published in the last 7 days and output as a CSV file. Hit Enter. Now, it initializes the task. It visits TechCrunch, navigates to the artificial intelligence category, and starts extracting the latest trending articles. And it's done. It took just 5 steps, consuming 50 credits. Let's download the CSV file. And here we go again. The result contains the article title, link, author's name, and publication date. The use cases are endless, and even more cool features are on the way. And BrowserAct is currently offering a free trial. Don't miss it. Click the link in the video description to sign up and start scraping without writing a single line of code. Also, join their Discord community to get support, share ideas, and connect with fellow users. Once the upcoming features like workflow automation and agent tools are released, this could truly be a game changer in web scraping and data acquisition, empowering anyone to become a data master without the usual hassle. I hope you enjoyed this video. We'll be uploading more AI and automation tutorials in the coming days, so don't forget to like and subscribe. Until next time, it's me Rajiv, signing off.